A company that's dying, a company that is approaching bankruptcy, just made a 120% move in the last 3 days. Ooh, what's going on, my fellow stock market trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down Bed Bath & Beyond stock. It's up over 120% in the last 3 trading days. It's a company that is dying. It's a company that is approaching bankruptcy, but that apparently doesn't matter, and the stock has put in a massive move. So in today's video, we're going to be breaking down the move, talking about potential risks and where this stock is going. Does this Reddit meme stock have more upside potential? Let's break it down. Let's get it. The once ever popular brick and mortar retail store has been in a massive decline over the last several years with the majority of retail. You can see here with the weekly chart that it's been selling off drastically, making a few pops along the way and hitting lows about a week ago of less than $1 per share, about $1 per share. But just this week, we can see that Bed Bath & Beyond stock has made a massive move and is up over 210% from those recent lows. The news that spurred this move is that Bed Bath & Beyond is laying off some more employees. They've already laid off a bunch of employees, but they're going to lay off more employees in order to try and stay in business. And the Reddit crowd jumped on this news and they drove the stock price higher. Why in the hell would the Reddit crowd want to buy a stock where the company is almost certainly going to go into bankruptcy? Well, here's why. If we look at the short interest, the percentage of the float sold short is over 43%. There's massive short interest in this stock. A lot of shorts in this stock, and the Reddit crowd they're not scared of taking a risk. They're not scared of making a trade where they think they can trap short sellers. We have seen this happen time and time again where the Reddit crowd jumps on a highly shorted stock and it drives the price way higher. And this is what's happening here with Bed Bath & Beyond stock. Will this save Bed Bath & Beyond? Will Bed Bath & Beyond be able to use this as a way to raise money similar to what AMC has done? AMC was able to raise billions of dollars from their stock squeeze and maybe stay in business. AMC may survive because of the Reddit meme stock movement. Is the same thing going to happen here with Bed Bath & Beyond? Well, it's possible, but it's highly doubtful, and here's why. This squeeze would have to sustain long enough in order for the company to have a stock offering. And then after they have the stock offering, the stock will have to survive that. And I'm skeptical. I don't know that this squeeze lasts long enough in order for the company to raise enough money to put back into the business in order to survive. Bed Bath & Beyond has already started to restructure the company, and they are looking for suitors who are willing to buy off some of their assets, including the BBBY side of the business. So they're already selling off assets that they can sell. Some of these assets aren't going to be able to be sold because nobody wants to buy assets that are bleeding money. So here's what I think happens. If we go look at the chart, it is very possible that a continued squeeze, let's look at an hourly chart. It's very possible that a continued squeeze happens. We could go as high as $10, maybe even $15 per share. Bed Bath & Beyond could try and raise money off of this move, but I think it's more than probable that this stock comes falling back down. If Bed Bath & Beyond does try to raise money, I think the meme stock, the Reddit crew, they sell it off and it comes back down. But it was a very impressive move. It was a violent move. And here's what I think happens in the long run with Bed Bath & Beyond stock. I do believe they go into bankruptcy. They go into bankruptcy, the company's in big trouble, and they sell off the assets that they can. Someone will come in, they will buy the website. All the brick and mortar stores will shut down. The website will be sold off, and somebody will use it as a drop shipping website. There will be no brick and mortar stores, and Bed Bath & Beyond stock will be delisted off of the open market. It's a very troubling time for brick and mortar retail companies like Bed Bath & Beyond. However, if you can catch on to some of these moves early, a highly shorted stock, it doesn't really matter what the fundamentals are, right? People are betting on this stock to go down. If 40-50% of the float is sold short and they get caught with their pants down and buyers come in heavy, it doesn't matter. The fundamentals don't matter because those short sellers are going to get margin called. They're going to get blown out of those short positions and they're going to have to cover. They have to buy in order to cover, and then you have the momentum traders jumping on as well, and it creates this buying frenzy, and that's how you can see a stock go from $1.50 per share down here all the way up to $5 per share, even when there's no drastic fundamental change in the company or the stock. So I do believe there may be some more trades to be had here with Bed Bath & Beyond. I don't think it's a long-term play because I do think the brick and mortar retail side of the business is not going to exist 2 to 3 years from right now. I do think the website will still be operational, but it will be a new owner running that website. All right, guys, that's the breakdown of Bed Bath & Beyond. I love all of you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until next time, peace.